Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing and how is your trading week going, guys? This is Precious here and this is a trading channel, and I have a lot of good news to share with you guys today. And before I forget, if you're an absolute beginner, you don't know anything about trading but you're interested in trading, I have a playlist dedicated for beginners, absolute beginners on this channel. Please check it out. I have a lot of testimonies that particular playlist, and people are literally learning and using it to become profitable. So why not you check it out, and it will be of great help to you. And also, one of the good news I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video today is one of my private mentorship students reached out to me, and she was so excited because she passed her Profit account and that is a great milestone for her, because she was an absolute beginner just like you out there who is still confused on should I start trading, should I not, when should I start. She was an absolute beginner a few months back now, and she came into my mentorship program, and now she's scaling accounts, she's scaling a funded account. So just go through the right channel of learning and you'll be there as well. So she did it just to encourage and inspire you so that you also can pass your funded account. So the reason why I share this type of stories with you guys is to inspire you guys not to give up. I know how trading can be, and losing money is not a sweet feeling. So I'm always coming here to encourage and inspire you all that you can also become profitable one day, and that is the story. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to make $5,307 on GBP USD and also USD JPY. So I was in a long position on USD JPY. In my last video I told you guys about how GBP USD and USD JPY are inversely correlated. Please, if you have not watched that video yet, I'm going to be leaving the link to that video in the description box below so you can watch and benefit from the video as well. I was in a short position on GBP USD. The market has been very sluggish recently. This trade I'm going to be explaining to you guys now, it's actually a swing trade. I was able to hold it for 5 days before I hit my take profits. You guys, it's very important to wait for your setup, and extremely important to wait for your trade to hit your take profit, except something change along the way. That is when you exit. So when you are in a trade, make sure you are not micromanaging it and always trying to adjust stop loss, adjust take profit here and there. Just let it be. Your work as a trader is to execute. After execution, there is nothing you can do about it. Every losses in the market is a lesson. Just make sure you are learning from the lessons and you are improving. That is how to grow in the financial market. So let's go right into the chart and let me show you guys where I spot this high probability setup and where I took this trade from. Let's start with GBP USD, then we can move to USD JPY. All right, so let's start with GBP USD. So this is a trade. You can see when I said on GBP USD and USD JPY are inversely correlated. This is a bearish market, and when we go to USD JPY now, you can see this is a bullish market. Because how do you even know this is a bullish or a bearish market? Because we said in a bullish market we have multiple breakout structure to the upside, and in a bearish market we have multiple breakout structure to the downside. And the logic behind it is when we have more sellers in the market pushing price downward, then we have breakout structure to the downside because we have our previous low. Price keep taking out our previous low downward. So that means price was low here and then price got lower because we have presence of sellers in the market pushing price downward. And the bullish market, the reverse is the case because of the result of high demand. That means we have more buyers in the markets who are in control of price. So we have breakout structure upward. So price keep taking out our previous high and keep creating higher high to the upside. And in the bearish market now, price keep taking out our previous low and keep creating lower low to the downside. I took this trade from here, and the reason why I took this trade from here, if you have been following me, you will know that we have a breakout structure here. let's go to the higher time frame. I'm very keen with multiple time frame analysis, because you can't just be on one time frame and make decision on one time frame, right? You have to go to other time frames to know exactly what is going on. So this is daily, and you can see the last video I made, I was explaining to you guys and I was telling you guys that GBP USD is going to be bearish for a long time. So please watch that video so you can understand the reason why. So you can see we have change of character to the downside already, and then this is where I took my trade from. So we have a break of structure here. So this is a break of structure we have here. This is an external break of structure. Let's go to 4 hours. So this is 4 hour, and you can see we have a break of structure here. Let me show you guys. The reason why I keep shouting break of structure, because break of structure is very important. You need to have a break of structure before you can enter a trade from that level. Oh, this is a break of structure here, which is exciting. Break of structure gives us an opportunity in the market, and this is the order block. You guys already know what an order block means, right? For the beginners, absolute beginners, let me change the color of my candle. I don't really like the red and green because it's psychological. Okay, let me just, we can leave it this way. Perfect. So you guys can see now we have our break of structure here, and then the last bullish candle here before an impulsive movement downward is our order block in a bearish market. You guys can see this is the last bullish candle here. The green candle here is the last bullish candle here before an impulsive move downward from here. So this is my order block. Mitigate this order block, consider impulsive movement downward. So yes, so this was a swing trade, and this is one ratio forex to reward. You guys know the market have been very slow recently, so market hit my take profit here, but you guys can see now how I take my trade. Presence of break of structure, my order block here is the last green candle here before a strong move downward. Then you guys can see I have a fair value gap here, and this is my liquidity here. Here I have a trend line liquidity. Things I do before entering a trade: multiple time frame analysis. I must identify my break of structure, my order block, fair value gap or imbalance, and as well as liquidity. Very important. So now let's go to USD JPY. So the higher time frame USD JPY is bullish. And so we have a change of character here. Multiple break of structure upward. So you guys can see what is going on here. I will tell you guys the reason why I'm just making this video now, but I've made it long ago. Oh, I still want you guys to benefit from this. We have a break of structure here. Let me mark it out. This is 1 hour. Let's go to 4 hour so you guys can. So this is 4 hour, and then we have a break of structure here. So we said an order block is the last and bearish candle before a strong move upward in a bullish market. Price came to mitigate our order block here. You can see price mitigated our order block here, and then range came downward again to mitigate same order block, and then start moving upward. It might take profit here. This is my take profit here. One of the good news I also want to share with you guys today is a lot of you have been reaching out for one-on-one mentorship session, but I can only take 2 students per session. It has been a source of concern for me and my community, so I want to include you all as possible to create an online course for you guys, so you guys can also benefit from the mentorship program, because the kind of testimonies I'm getting from my students really overwhelming. So I am already working on the online courses. We have the Smart Money Foundation, which is for absolute beginners. If you're just starting up trading, that's the best thing to start with, to understand the psychology, build yourself, and get into it. So when you are done with the Smart Money Foundation, the second one is intermediate, which is your Smart Money Playbook. That's now where you get the advanced knowledge to become profitable and scale your accounts consistently and make consistent profits. Then the third one is in smart money mastery. This is very advanced, right? This is from scaling your accounts now into building wealth with trading. So there are other businesses you can do apart from reading the charts. I'm going to go into detail on how to invest in cryptocurrency, and other businesses you can do with trading, and not just reading the charts. Do other things too just by understanding how to trade. So we go into detail about building wealth with trading in the smart money mastery. So I'm working on it and I've been busy, and that is why I'm just making this video now. And I pray that is going to help somebody out there who has been looking for a full package course like this to improve their trading and also become consistently profitable. Look no further. I'm working tirelessly to provide you with that, and by the time it's ready, you all are going to be the first to benefit from it. So thank you so much for watching to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. I will just take you guys through how I'm preparing the course now, and also, so I'm in a trade now. I'm going to be showing you guys the outcome of the trade I'm in now, and subscribe to my channel. And also do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section if you have questions, and I'll see you in my next videos. Stay blessed and stay profitable. Bye.